Hi guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. This right here is the door that leads to the apartment, and right here where you have the switch, like the sockets, that's where my entertainment area is going to be. This corner right here, like this angle, is where my couch is going to be. This here is another view of my living room, which I love so much. Like, guys, this living room is spacious. So in here, the guest toilet. Nothing too special or fancy, but yeah, that's the guest toilet, okay? The amount of natural light I have in this apartment is no joke, okay? This is the dining area, which I really love. In my previous apartment, the dining area was pretty tiny, so I couldn't really play with the core pieces the way I would have wanted to. But in this apartment, I have so much space. This door right here leads to the kitchen, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see. And once you come into the kitchen, this is what it looks like. This kitchen has so much storage space. I have where I put a lot of things. I also have the drawers down here where I can store stuff, okay? And more drawers, and more drawers. The fact that this is an apartment that has never been lived in, I'm so happy. I love the color. So now we are heading to the bedroom. This apartment is a 3-bedroom apartment, which is exactly what I've been looking for. This right here is the first room in the apartment. One thing I like about this apartment is the fact that I can literally use every single room in this apartment for my filming room, which is amazing. The rooms are pretty spacious. So this is what the bathroom in this room looks like. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. You just have the shower and of course the toilet, which is over there, and that's it. So I'm gonna put a mirror in here, and I love the fact that all the bathrooms have sockets by the sink. So that's it for this room. This room here is going to be my filming room in this apartment. So let's get inside. The lighting in this house was what sold me out. The colors, the fact that everywhere was white, and then the earth tones in terms of the browns, that was what sold me out completely on this apartment. One thing I like about this room is that it has the same layout with the filming room in my previous apartment, and I'm gonna put a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The next thing we have here is my bathroom. So come with me, guys. So there's a sink here, and I intend to put a very big mirror. I'm also going to put some cabinets just so I can stay here and do my hair and store some of my personal skincare products. Stay here and do my skincare stuff. So I'm gonna have a mirror here, a very big mirror here. This place makes me, it's dark, it's 5 p.m. So I'm just trying to film this without lights, right? This is what the shower here looks like, and this is perfect for when I'll be filming my wash day routine, skincare routine, shower routine, everything routine. So say for example, let me just keep my camera here. Say for example, I want to film a shower routine. I can actually just stay here. This is the window, which is fine because if I'm filming, it's gonna be at night. Hi guys, welcome to the bedroom. Let me just go inside and show you guys. Do you see? This is the end of the room. So this right here is the master bedroom, which I am so in love with. This room is massive. It is spacious. It is mad. The lighting in this room is to die for. So this is the master bedroom. It's so spacious. I have a lot of space to play with. I'm still contemplating my bed because I have a California king size bed. So I'm still contemplating if I want that to kind of stay here like this or stay this way. This area right here is supposed to be like my little nook area where I can sit down and do like my meditation with my devotionals and stuff like that. However, I actually intend putting a spare table for times where I feel like getting work done in my bedroom instead of in my filming room. This door right here is where you have like the bathroom, and it's pretty similar to the one in my beauty room, alright, just a different layout but very similar. So I think that would do because my camera is about to die. I'm gonna give you guys an update on my apartment, more like my moving series. I'll let you guys see from setting up my filming room, my living room and stuff like that. I love you guys so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye guys.